Hello, welcome to Fordham Prep to all our prospective students and families. Thanks for taking a look. My name is Mike Kravatz, and I'm the Director of Campus Ministry. It's my 15th year at the Prep, and I love the work that I do. When you think of campus ministry, it's important to remember that Fordham Prep defines itself as a community of faith, scholarship, and service. And it's the role of campus ministry to create and facilitate programming that supports and deepens the faith life of the community. In other words, we design programs that help our students and staff find God in their lives. And we do this in a number of ways. We offer a 4-year retreat program for our students at all grade levels. And most notable is that it's really the older students who are members of our ministry leadership teams that are trained to lead and guide the younger students to a deeper awareness of themselves, of the others in their life, and of course, God. We have a robust liturgical ministries program with daily mass and several school-wide masses throughout the year, as well as a variety of prayer services and programs guided by our liturgy committee and led by our students. Communal prayer and reflection is an important part of the life of Fordham Prep. Finally, we also have programming that supports a faith that leads to service, to care for those in need, and to work for a more just world. Our Social Justice Committee and Just Serve Club are just 2 examples of our students and faculty working together as men and women for and with others to support those in need, to increase awareness, and to make a difference in our world. So as you discern where to spend your high school years, know of our prayers for you and your families. I wish you all the best. Thank you, and God bless.